Hi, this is the full conceal perspective regarding the question of how do you carry and deploy the M3D pistol. So here's the M3D pistol here. So in a folded position, the safety is, and we'll cover that in another video, but it's unlike any other safety on the market. You can safely have one in the chamber without a holster. Even if it were just partially in full, you can't really get at that trigger and set that firearm off. So you can have this muzzle up, muzzle down. It doesn't matter, however you're comfortable. If you carry it muzzle down in your pocket, when you pull it out with your right hand, you're pulling out of the right hand. Your left hand will come up here, shift, and you have to shift this down and then snap that down, pushing this into the web of your hand, and then you just rotate your hand down. That's one way. A slightly faster way is to carry it actually muzzle up with the grip facing forward, right? It's facing forward. So as you reach down with your hand, you're grabbing the grip here. When you pull it out of your pocket, and as you do your push, you're just orientating your hand, same type of thing. You just put it back, similar to racking your slide. So it's easier as a slide. Just rack it back, rotate the hand down, and now you into your firing grip, and you should be able, and you're good to go. So those are a couple ways of deploying it. And you can also carry it traditionally too, right? So don't forget that. I mean, this is a very versatile gun. I mean, in its current state here, it's just like a normal Glock 19. Carry it inside the waistband, outside the waistband, however you want. So this just gives the option to fold it and allow more concealability and capacity.